2006 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, driver airbag, power steering, cruise control, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD, rear defrost. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.